Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and I want to talk to you about how to build up to control balances back. So this is a really awesome exercise that I think looks complicated and scares people, and because people feel in their wrists a lot, they're not likely to do it. We are doing workouts on OPC over onlinepilatesclasses.com where we actually focus on getting out of the wrists. But this exercise, let's just talk about it. This one, where you kick a leg, a lot of people doesn't feel good, so they don't do it, or they do it, not very funly. So I want to talk about how you build up to that. Okay, couple things, just obvious ones, is you can just do table instead, where your hands are back, and this will help you get used to being on your hands with them back behind you, and you're just doing the shoulder bridge in your bottom half, which by the way means the better your shoulder bridge is on the mat, the sooner you'll be able to get to something like table. So if you're doing shoulder bridge here, and every time you lift a leg, your pelvis is sinking, that's not going to get you there. So what I'd rather you do is just really focus on that shoulder bridge. That's going to make that really great. Also, never underestimate the power of double leg kick. Double leg kick is such a great exercise for things like control balance. So, or balance control, excuse me. the, the names are too close together. So having, again, the hands back here. This kicking action is activating the muscles that you need to stand on. Then the legs go down straight, the arms go back. If I flipped this over, we would just be doing the start position of control balance, or balance control back. Balance control back. So whatever you call it, it's fine. The goal though is, there are tons of exercises we could do with spine correctors, barrels, Cadillac, that will really prepare you for this exercise. Using the mat to prepare for the mat is hard. It's not always the most supportive. So that is why the other things exist. And so if you do have access to other pieces of equipment, I definitely want you to take a look at things like your long back arms. On the Cadillac, that's really great, in your small barrel series, arm series, that's going to be super helpful. But in the meantime, the more you can stand in your hamstring glute, your thas connection, and your arm back connection, the better the exercise will be. So if when you get to that exercise and it's just all in your joints, skip it. Go back to your shoulder bridge. Go back to your double leg kick. Really focus on strengthening those exercises, and then double check how it feels to be in that exercise. If this is helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you want to feel these things in an actual workout, which is where you actually learn Pilates, to be really honest, it is a practice, and the more you learn in your body, the better it'll be for you. Then join us at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.